And there he goes. He brought a Ford Taurus from California? Come on. Wait, it's plates on it. It's a Mercury Sable. Same thing. All right. What do you want to see, guys? You want to see the car jump in the pool? That'll be cool. Maybe. You got to let Screamin' Scott Dangerly hear ya. Make some noise. Let him hear ya. He's from Death Valley, California, and he's picking up speed with a firework on the back. Oh, and the thing's going off now. All right. Here he goes. What's he doing? He's going through the 8. He's picking up speed. It's a Mercury Sable. And he hits the wall. No. He's coming out. Uh-oh. Is he going to go through the jump? You want to see him jump? Make some noise, Rockford Speedway. Here we go. Oh! Oh, my God. Fooled us all. It looked like it from here. He tricked us. All right. Screaming Scott Dangerly picking up speed from Death Valley, California. Do you want to see him hit the jump? Make some noise, Rockford Speedway. Let him hear ya. Here we go. Is he going to do it? He is. Ow! Are you kidding me? Stop teasing us. Did you put him up to this?
Yes, I told him to tease him.
Oh, I see. Okay, now we know. All right. He's got his hazardous lights on, and I don't know why. He's a slow-moving vehicle. Okay. Now maybe this is the 3rd time for a charm. All right, make some noise. Here he goes. Come on, let's see him jump. The fireworks are going. Oh, he does it. Ow! And he's on the side. How did he land on the side? Where did the pool go? Hey, guess what? There's no pool to jump in. Sorry. Sorry, David. I'm sorry, David Lumsden. Hey, it's the 4th of July fireworks. And they're going to push it back over. Push, push, push. Bam! All right. All the way from Death Valley, California. Make some noise for Screamin' Scott Dangerly. And it's still running. The windshield wipers still work. Did you guys like that or what? All right, race fans, that'll conclude tonight's program. Make sure you take your trash. Please throw your trash away. Help us out as the drone is watching Scott Dangerly going around. Remember to please throw your trash away.